Hari Om children, let us start the session. We chant Om 3 times. Close your eyes, take a deep breath. Om. Again, take a deep breath. Again, take a deep breath. Start beginning prayer.
सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम्
Learning objectives: to know about economic level in our country, to know about system of exchanging goods for other goods called barter system. Hari Om children, today we are going to see new lesson, economics and introduction. What is economics? Economics is the social science that studies how people interact with things of value, in particular the production, distribution and consumption of goods and services. Economics focuses on the behavior and interactions of economic agents and how economics work. Let us see this lesson, children.
Have you heard the word economics? Yeah, I'll tell you now. Normally, you could notice in your family that your parents were discussing about budget. For example, how much is needed for rice or oil. Likewise, they will discuss about spending their money after getting the salary per month. Now it's clear to you, I think so. To run a family happily, family's economical condition should be good. These are all very much needed for the growth of country's economical condition. Shall we discuss about the topic in brief? Yes. What is economics? Economics is a social science concerned with the production, distribution and consumption of goods and services. Okay. Where do we get all the food? Are we getting from market? Yeah, we are getting from market. But where do they get these things from? Exactly, you are right. They buy them from those who grow crops. We call the people those who raise crops as farmers. Yeah, your parents may be teachers, lawyers, doctors, shop owners, etc. But at villages, the one and only occupation is farming. The farmers grow various crops like pulses, grains, vegetables, etc. Then they will send the products to shops in cities. Whereas in villages, you have seen people selling all kinds of things in a place. Why do they call it Sunday instead of shop? Do you know from where do they bring the products to Sunday? Yeah, the things which are produced in villages are brought to Sunday. In villages, once in a week or month, all things are sold in a particular place at a specific time to meet the needs of the people is called Sunday. Do you know what activities are carried out in a Sunday? Yeah, buying and selling. Do you know in olden days we have exchanged goods for other goods, called barter system. Have you heard this? Yeah. For example, tomato for brinjal. If I have surplus tomatoes and then I'm in need of brinjal, then I can give my tomatoes to you and get the brinjal which is surplus to you. But to exchange commodities, they have to face problems. To solve that, they invented a tool called money. Yeah, now we are giving and getting only through this, right? We have studied that our ancestors, who at first hunted and gathered food, later started to cultivate crops. As they saw the rivers, they settled down permanently there. These are called villagers. As Mahatma said, agriculture is the backbone of our country. So it remains the root of our economy even today. There are three important economical activities. What are the primary, secondary and tertiary activities? What do you mean by primary activities? Primary activities are concerned with the production of material for foodstuff and industrial use. For example, agriculture, fishing and mining. Then we are going to see about secondary activities. What are the secondary activities? Are nothing but the raw materials obtained from the primary activities are converted into finished products through machinery on a large scale. For example, cotton textiles, sugar mills, etc. Okay. Finally, what are tertiary activities? Services required for production and distribution of goods are called tertiary activities. Transport and banking comes under this. Have you all understood this? Okay. I'll wind up this.
Recapitulation: the finished goods which are brought from the market to fulfill the daily needs of the consumer is called consumer goods. Farming is the main occupation in villages. Learning outcome: in villages, once in a week, a month, all things sold in particular place at a specific time to meet the needs of the people. That is called Sandai. The farmers grow various crops like pulses, grains, and vegetables and send them to the shops in cities.
Sit down on the ground comfortably. Without moving your head and neck, look upwards and then downwards. Keep your neck and back straight. Now look at the sides alternating with the left and right. Do not move your neck while looking sideways. Now look to your left, then look upwards. Move your eyes right and then look down. Look upwards, to your right, and then down. Now look upwards, then to your left and down. Now alternatively, look to your left once after looking upwards, before looking down, and then look to your right the next time after looking up. Close your eyes and rest for some time. Sit comfortably and bring your hands straight forward at shoulder height and raise your thumbs. Look at your thumbs. Slowly spread apart your hands. Look at your left and right thumbs alternatively while spreading your hands apart. Bring your hands together, continuing to look at your left and right thumbs alternatively. Close your eyes and rest for some time.
Let us conclude this video. We chant Om 3 times. Close your eyes. Chant Om 3 times.
पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते